78 candidates for graduation, 70 of whom are graduating with Latin honors and 8 are loyalty awardees. First, 209 for the degree Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering with 2 magna cum laude, 25 cum laude, and 3 loyalty awardees. Thank you. 84 for the degree Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering with 10 cum laude. 145 for the degree Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering with 2 magna cum laude, 9 cum laude, and 1 loyalty awardee. 96 for the degree Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering